So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video on our channel. If you just updated Windows and now you're stuck with an error like 0x80070643, etc. You try again, same error, again, same thing. At this point, most people start searching random fixes like resetting everything, editing system files, and even touching partitions. But there's a problem that can actually make things worse because this error doesn't have just one cause. Sometimes it's a simple cache issue, sometimes it's an NET update problem, and sometimes it's a Windows recovery update. So if you use the wrong fix, it won't work. In this video, I'll show you the safe way to fix the error 0x100 step by step, starting with the easiest fix and only going deeper if needed. The error usually means that the update failed during installation, but it doesn't tell you why. That's why the first step is always to identify the update that failed. So firstly, let's do that together. Just go to your Windows settings. Open Windows Update. Then click on Update History. Here you'll see the exact update that failed. Just if it's a net update, this fix is different. And if it's a recovery update, the fix is different, so don't skip this step. Now before doing anything advanced, let's restart and retry. Restart your computer and go back to Windows Update. Click Retry. This sounds simple, but it often fixes temporary issues like locked files or background update conflicts. Always try this first. Next, use the built-in troubleshooter. Just go to Settings again. Click on System, then find Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters and run Windows Update. This tool automatically fixes missing updates, components, and misconfigured services. Let it finish, then retry the update. Now, if the error keeps coming back, the update cache might be corrupted. And here's the safe way, an idea, so no risky edits. Windows stores temporary update files, and if they're broken, update fail repeatedly. Resetting the cache clears those files, so you can use command prompt or a trusted script to reset everything. Just after resetting, go back and click for updates again. Now, go back to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If the issue was cache-related, it should now install normally. Now, if the failed update is a Net Framework update, here's what to do. Run the Windows Troubleshooter again. Make sure NET is enabled in Windows Features, then retry the update. NET issues are usually repeatable without advanced steps. Now, if it's a recovery environment update, things are different. These updates sometimes fail because the recovery partition is too small. Don't rush into resizing partitions unless you know what you're doing. In many cases, Microsoft releases a fix later or the update gets replaced automatically. And finally, if nothing works, you can try manual installation. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog on your browser. Search for the latest update and then download and install it manually. But this should be your last option, not the first one. So if the error started right after a new update release, you might not be the only one. It could be a global issue, and forcing risky fixes won't help. So try these safe steps first. Avoid random registry or partition edits, and sometimes just wait for the official fix. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments which fix is working for you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video for more Windows fixes.